Start.
Hello everybody, this is our field and I look so happy here. Come
Yeah.
see all these flowers are blooming. Looks like spring.
Yeah.
And these flowers are also very doing well.
Yeah.
Looks so if I see all these flowers,
Mm-hmm.
it makes me so happy. I want to jump in and just have a little jig
Yeah. Little
inside
jig.
the flowers.
Yeah.
So come, I'll show you. Look at this flower field
Yeah.
and small they're growing
Mm-hmm.
and these are someone's
Feel. Yeah.
someone's field and we are so happy to stay here and happy jumping and you want to explore around. Let's go then. I'm so happy to stay here.
And so what, Phil? Come on.
These holes, we didn't make them. Our naughty British people
Hmm.
has made those holes.
Yeah.
Don't think about that.
Mm-hmm.
So, Snap, follow me.
Come back. Come back.
We have to come from here.
Yeah. That's all, Abu. Should we make it?